you picked relatively old school stocks, Boeing and Las Vegas Sands. We're going to fly to Vegas and we're going to gamble there. Is this sort of the reopening trade in the draft?
Yeah, I was surprised at all the choices. I think they're all good choices, everybody being really great points. They're a little bit more momentum versus what I am. I'm trying to find stocks that are kind of still like depressed, if you will, and I do believe very strongly in the reopen trade, just given what we're seeing on the economic momentum. So yeah, I mean, look, Boeing is the ultimate reopen stock. They will benefit from travel recovering. Leisure's already recovering. Business travel is going to be more in the next couple of quarters. But look, they fixed the 737 MAX issues, and the production rates are still exactly in line with expectations of 31 production of 737 MAXs by 2022. They've gotten 787 fixed, 777. So there's a couple catalysts there for the company. They've had great orders in terms of from Southwest and Ryanair and even Asia's Silkway Air. They've gotten some orders from. So why that's important, though, Brian, is because the inventory levels will start to shrink, which means free cash flow goes up. And that's what this stock trades on. So that's I really like the Boeing name, but I do also like Las Vegas Sands too. It's kind of fun.
It is fun, right? It's fun to think about because there's a lot of people out there. And listen, unfortunately, negative headlines get the headlines. And we'll never go back to the way it was again. That's horse pucky.
Right.
I remember hearing that after 9/11. Right. New York will never go back to the way it was. It did. 2008, housing bust. Well, housing will never go back to the way it was. It did, and then some. We will get back to everything the way it was. It may take some time, but that's why I think you're buying a Marriott. You're buying a Wynn in addition to LVS. You're buying 5 years out, are you not, Stephanie?
Oh, absolutely. And I will tell you that while Las Vegas remains depressed, Las Vegas Sands, they're actually selling assets in Las Vegas, right? They just made a big sale of $6.25 billion in Las Vegas in their properties, and they're going to put that money into Asia. And why that's interesting is because Macau already is seeing an improvement. Total revenues in the quarter in Macau grew 15% sequentially. I know against really low expectations, but this is where you want to be because Macau is going to recover first, then you're going to get Las Vegas. And so I think like this one, it's only up 2%, by the way. Totally has underperformed the group, and I like the low expectations. Yeah,
I like it. By the way, speaking of getting out there, okay, a lot of people were, locked down in certain parts of the country. They're going to be, if you're single, you're getting out there, and you're going to go to TJ Maxx, you're going to buy a new shirt, and you're going to go on a date that you set up on Match.
You're speaking my entire portfolio. Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, look, I think TJX, they want the treasure hunt. People like to go to those stores. And oh, by the way, it's a hidden housing play. So to your last segment, they benefit as housing continues to recover, right? And yeah, Match, I think, people are going to get out and about. And I like spins, right? And this one was a spin out.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.